Alright guys, I just got off work, but I want to show you guys this new setup. So currently I'm borrowing my coworker's Insta360 Max. I reached out to them, to Insta360, to try to get the newer one. Maybe under like a partnership, we'll see. But yeah, I'm just going to be using, that's an X1, so it's the first gen. It still works pretty well, but yeah, I have these mounts that I'm going to use to try to film a new type of POV. Again, here's the stick, it extends out. I have these clamps and I have ball joint and I have another suction cup. So I'm going to try to mount it to the rear of my car and see kind of like what the footage would look like and if it'll hopefully hold on when I'm, you know, when we're doing pulls and stuff. I guess also I have lost my Affinity badge. I didn't lose it, but it's off the car. It's in the driver's seat right there. But anyways, we just cleaned the window down with some glass cleaner and yeah, we're about to try to mount this thing. Luckily for this POV thing, the FD has a really like long glass hatch, which is good because on a lot of cars I've seen, like the hatch, like the glass is like right here, so the thing can't extend that far. But because I can mount it like here and have it extend out, I think that it should look decent. So I mean, I don't know, we're about to go test the footage right now, so let's see how it mates up. Alright guys, so we currently have the thing set up. This is a GoPro, this is the Insta360. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna be shooting on 5.7K, can scale it down on 24 frames per second. So you can see, I'm right there, you know, but it doesn't really matter where I shoot because you edit it later in the video. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I guess let's start recording, do some testing. Hopefully it doesn't fly off on me. Alright, so the clips did not work. Unfortunately, I got into like 30 seconds of shooting the video with the Insta360 and then the memory card could not keep up because I was shooting in 4K, 30 frames per second. It couldn't even write that. So I need to get a new micro SD that's capable of higher writing speeds because, you know, we're shooting at two different lenses with the 360. It's all around and it's also shooting in 4K. So we need to get a better memory card. But anyways, yeah, after that failed, we met up at the bottom of the mountain and we did a little chase video. So Ethan was in Griffin's car in his NA Miata and he was chasing me in my car. Yeah, pretty good footage, so I'm gonna roll the clips.
Oh, the plushie! That's the first time he's ever moved. The fuck?
Yeah, I thought you were about to lose traction there. Holy shit.
You just got a unprecedented G-force on that.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Oh shit, we're back. Woo! We're back again. Never mind, we're going slow again. We were just going kind of quick, but now we're not. Now we're not going fast anymore. Kind of a letdown. Okay. We got these people in front of us. Probably not gonna let us pass, so. Oh yeah, blinkers, good idea. Oh hell no. Nah.
Griffin, do it! No!
Wow.
Wow. Wow, that's fun.
Nah. No way. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Later.
Oh my god, I'm flooring it. I'm flooring it! I'm flooring it! Look at him!
Bye, Eric. Bye, Eric.
Oh, we're grinding gears a little. Still got the hazards on, you know? Aww. It was just getting fun though. Damn.
Going 120 right now.
Whoa. How do I make this brighter? It's really dark.
Fuck with the ISO.
I know that, but...
Click right on the D-pad.
Okay.
Right on the D-pad right here.
Oh, really? I thought you were fucking... Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, perfect. Now it's way brighter. Sick.
Just getting fun right there, allegedly, if we were going fast, but we weren't. But if we had been, it would have been really fun. Oh yes, please pull over. I'm sorry, Camry owner, but you know, oh yeah, go home! Go home! Feel bad, dude. Griffin's got Ethan in the car, so he's got extra weight. Not saying that Ethan weighs a lot, I'm just saying that, you know, he's got some extra.
With 2 people and a full tank of gas, this car is comically slow.
That car is comically smoky.
Woo! Oh, Griffin, where are you, man? Oh, there he is. Sorry, bro. Toge things. Oh, shit. Yo, this guy's fast. Nathan's hella fast, bro. This dude's hella fast. Holy sh... This man is fast as fuck, boy.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Oh my... This man is...
Man, I need the ND back.
Oh my... Whoa!
are low. That's good.
Griffin, you're on kind of shit tires. Remember that.
I'm on Iron Man all season.
Gonna need some oil after this.
Yep. That's why we brought it.
Woo! Am I still recording? Yeah, I am.
It's flooring at 95% of that whole time.
See me catch him if there's any chance.
We want to kind of go slow here because there's a lot of cops here, so you know.
Bro, it's so smoky. Holy shit.
It's running ridiculously red.
Yeah. Which it needs to be cool, I know. And it makes it shoot cool flames. I don't need to go to the gym today. This is an arm workout and a fucking half. I'm not even kidding. Whoa, that's scary to those people. That's fucking funny.
Was. He did too. Did you see that?
Yeah. I don't think they have lights like that. I mean, who's in front of him? Nathan's in front of him, and he's not pulled over.
Yeah. Oh. Flash their lights. Could just because we don't have lights.
The guy flashes blinkers. That means there's cops. Ops. There's ops up here somewhere. Careful. We need to be careful. Alright guys, we just pulled up at Sushi Okayama. I don't know if you can see that. Griffin's right. Yes.
My eyes are literally red right now because all the gas and exhaust fumes. This car smells like shit. Yo, what is going on, guys? If you made it to the end, thank you so much. I also want to clarify that I don't like all of the stuff that we do in these videos. It's for fun, it's for entertainment. I don't encourage anyone to do it. I'm not telling anyone to do it. So do it at your own risk. If you do it, you know, I didn't tell you to do it. But yeah, it was really fun, you know, just driving with the homies today. It was really cool to do that chase cam. Ethan got some really good footage. So maybe we'll do it again because it was a fun time. And hopefully when Griffin gets his ND back up and running, that'll be the ultimate video, because that'll be a challenge. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to race my car if he gets his ND back, and I'm gonna have to throw on wider tires. I'm probably gonna have to get a different wheel setup and race my car. Maybe I'll pick up some RPF ones or something like that with like Michelin Pilot Sports, Super Sports all around. Because there's no way I can keep up with this car the way my car is right now. But anyways, until that day happens, you know, I still have the stance life a little bit in it, a little bit of it in me still. I still got the hard park life a little bit inside. So I like my car to look good until Griffin gets his car back up and running. Then a real challenger has arrived. But until that day comes, you know, just keep making videos, keep vlogging, and I'm going to keep going to meets. So yeah, thanks for sticking with me, guys, and I'll see you in the next vid.